Hi, welcome to my channel and then welcome to today's video, which is a take on making a Frozen shirt for my daughter. Welcome to my closet. This is the space I have right now, so I'm going to show you how to, I've already got it printed out for my Cricut, weeded, and I've got it on transfer tape, and I'm going to go from this process on to make my daughter's shirt. I'm going to show you. It should be super simple, super fast. If you have any more questions, refer to my video that I did previously of a more like start to finish video. But other than that, let's get started. So Maylee is in a dance camp this week, and tomorrow they are going to be meeting Elsa. And so I was like, I've wanted this shirt for a long time because this quote from Olaf is literally probably my favorite part from the entire movie because it's so funny how he cracks up. And so I've been wanting to make this shirt for her for a long time. And I finally actually have an excuse, you know. And other fun thing, this shirt that I have, I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it's like one of their nicer, I think they're like $6.99. They're $5.99. These little shirts are, and they're like the Bella Canvas, like they feel like all of these shirts do. And I got it for $1.74. So you gotta check their sales, they'll have random things on sale. Okay, so next I just need to adjust my base part here. And I'm just going to be trying to line up my dots that I have here. And then I'm just going to tighten it back and up underneath. It's really easy. I'm really liking my hand color press that I have going on here. So now that I am all lined up, I'm going to tape off the edge. Now I just covered up that circle. So I just screen printed it. I'm gonna zap it with the heat gun and let it dry.